Today, I will show you how to steam fish, okay? What we will do, I will lay the fish here, side by side, okay? If it's too big, then what we're gonna do, I'm going to cut it like this, okay? No problem. And they can go in very easily. The next, I'm going to season it with this. I will show you. Okay? I have here soy sauce. Yeah. Rice vinegar. This is a rice vinegar. Okay? To give it more taste. Okay? There you are. And then what next? I will sprinkle it with mirin seasoning. It's a Japanese seasoning. Okay? And it smells good. Yeah. There's no measurement, eh? You can season it, and then after a while or later, you taste it. So you can see if you need to add more. Okay? Then pepper, not so much. Okay. Here. Okay. Now, we will slice a piece of ginger, fresh ginger. Okay? Always use fresh ginger. Okay? And then you slice it into strips. This recipe is good, especially if you are on a diet. Okay? Then what you will do, okay, just sprinkle it on the top. Okay? Like some spring onion. Okay? This is spring onion. And you have to put it on the top. Okay? There. And it gives a flavor to the fish. Okay? This only have to remove the tops. We don't need that. Okay? So what we will do, we will slice it into thin. Okay. Like that. See to it, you wash it first. Okay? Ay, Santa Maria. My finger. Okay? It doesn't matter how many stalks you like to slice. Okay? This is very tasty. It has a very nice, a delicious taste when you add this to the fish. Okay? These are as my vegetables. Okay? Just wanna cover it. And the last is I will make some sesame oil to give oil. Very delicious. Now I will just sprinkle some salt. Now, okay, all the spring onions and how you call that? The ginger is inside. What we will do, we will just fold it, okay? And then we will steam it around 20-25 minutes, okay? But I will see around 20 minutes, they will be okay now if they are cooked, okay? Should not over steam. Otherwise, the fish, you will not enjoy the fish because the fish will become very hard. No, okay, should be soft. Okay, and then very nice. It's like a sponge cake, should be like that. Okay, we will set the pan with the water. Okay, and we will wait till it boils. Okay, we can cover it. Ay, Santa Maria, it's very hot. We can cover it with this. Okay, and wait till it boils. Now, the pan is boiling. It's about time to steam our fish. Okay? So, here is our fish. And I will just cover it. And we will steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay? But I will open it when it's already 20 minutes. And we will see if we have to steam it for another 5 minutes. See you later, now it's 20 minutes. What I will do, I will check it if it's already done. You have to avoid steaming it very hard. Otherwise, you will not enjoy the fish, okay? It should be soft like a sponge cake. See? We will test the doneness of the fish. Oh, that's good. Oh, the fish is already cooked. Now, it's very lekker. It's very tasty. Now, what we will do? We will close it and serve. The fish is already done. Okay? Now, if you are serving it on the table, you can serve it with this, okay, to maintain the warmth. Okay, while you are eating, the heat or the warmth stays, so you can enjoy it. Okay, or you can serve it only the steamer. Okay, but I love serving it with the pan, so I can enjoy eating it. Okay, now it's time to put some boiling water on our tea. You can drink your tea in between or after you eat. Okay? Yeah. A cup of rice is enough, especially when you're on a diet. Now, we will open our steamed fish. Okay? And then I will open it. Then you see it. Okay? And I'm gonna serve it on my plate. Okay. Whoop. Ooh, that's lekker. We will cover it again so the warmth stays. Okay? Yeah. Bon appetit. Let's taste it. Very tasty. I'm telling you, very delicious. You can try this at home when you're on a diet. You can serve this. So smaken like. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching.